Have you ever tasted something so good you wish everyone could try it?
I know exactly what you mean. Sweet Street's cookies are so good. Want to try one? Ooh, is that a chocolate chunk manifesto? I need one.
Looks good. I wonder how they make these.
Let's find out, shall we?
Here we are at Sweet Street, where they manufacture more than just desserts. They manufacture joy, one step at a time. Cool, huh?
So welcome to Sweet Streets. Again, my name is Vince. I've been here for almost 21 years. And today we're gonna take a nice little tour and then have some fun.
Sweet Street is located in Reading, PA. They also have a second factory in Greensville, South Carolina.
Currently, Sweet Street employs over 600 people, but that's not how it started.
Sweet Street was founded by Sandy Solomon in 1979 in a two-bake garage baking classic American chocolate chip cookies.
Through testing various ingredients and recipes, Sandy was able to find the perfect formula.
Sweet Street has grown to provide consumers and restaurants with decadent and delicious desserts. The desserts can also be found in over 60 countries.
Let's meet some of the people who manufacture joy.
My name is James Shipe. I've been with Sweet Streets for 20 years, and I'm a mechanic.
My name is Joanne Lucas, and I've been here 35 years, and I work in QC now, quality control.
Here at Sweet Street, I've been Lori, and I've worked here at Sweet Street for 35 years.
Manufacturing is so cool. People and machines work together to make desserts safely and efficiently. With each step of the process, Sweet Street adds a little joy. You can really taste the difference.
What's cool about manufacturing is that my idea, my dessert, once it's sold, then I can take it out to the plant and deliver it to the world, right?
Keep coming up with new ideas and new things and new bars and stuff like that so people can enjoy and children can enjoy.
I think it's cool because you just see all these thousands and thousands of products being put out, and it's wow.
Experiences, shared moments, creativity, and joy.
That's what's so cool about manufacturing.